I think Kochetkov has to be your 1A
Hmm.
because if you start him off as your 1B and still kind of flip flop around and let Anderson play a lot of games, Kochetkov gets better if you play him a lot more and plays consistently rather than like he's sitting out a few games, gets in for one, sits out a few games, gets in for one, or maybe he gets a hot hand, they play him for a little bit, but then they sit him for a bit. If you're trying to be ready now and in the future and finding your number one guy, you have to go with Kochetkov being that dude as your 1A starting out.